welcome to another Salesforce Sessions. My name is Dan, a partner here at CloudKettle. When talking with a number of CMOs and CROs, one of the most common questions that has come up is how to incorporate conversion rates into Salesforce reports. Let's dive in and take a look.
To start, let's take a look at how to build a report with marketing conversion rates by lead source over time. As we build our new Salesforce report, we want to group our report by the create date to provide us with historical trend data and our lead sources. From here, we want to refresh our report to populate the sample data. This then allows us to group our create date row by calendar month versus showing us the daily created leads. After creating this, we want to add the information that shows if our leads have been converted or not. Unchecking the detail rows toggle and refreshing the sample data now gives us a monthly total by lead source of how many leads have and have not converted. While the overall totals can be useful for understanding volume trends, we want to understand the conversion rates of each lead source to measure its quality. This can be accomplished by using the summary formula reporting option. First, we want to give a custom name to what this formula will look like within the report. From there, we want to change the formula output type to %, as we're going to be calculating a conversion rate. In the fields section, we want to see that a number of fields are available to use in our formula. For the purposes of this, we want to select the sum of converted leads and insert it into our formula. From here, to calculate our conversion rate, we want to divide the number of converted leads by the total of all leads created, or in the case of building this formula, the record count. Clicking on the Validate button shows that our formula worked properly, and clicking Apply will add our new formula to our report. Running this report now allows us to not only see the conversion rates by each lead source, but also for the entire month. Besides generating conversion rates for leads, another great and common use case is how to generate conversion rates with opportunity information. For this, we will go and create a new opportunity report just like we did for the lead report we previously created. In the filters, besides selecting the desired time frame for the report, we will also want to update the opportunity status to closed so that our calculations are dividing won deals against the total amount of deals that were either won or lost. In the group row, we want to select the opportunity owner so that we can calculate the win rates by individual sales rep. Similar to the lead report with converted, we also want to include the data on if the opportunity was won or not. Refreshing the data now shows us how many deals each sales rep won or lost within the specific time frame. Now we add our summary level formula while giving it our desired name and updating the formula output type to %. For the information itself, we will divide the sum of won records by overall record count. Validating the formula works and applies it into our report will now give us the win rates by opportunity owner. This information can also be customized using any number of data points. For example, if you're curious about win rates by owner by opportunity type, then simply adding type to the group row will automatically calculate win rates for each person based on the type of the opportunity, such as new business or renewal. Furthermore, if you're curious about how win rates are trending for each person, adding the close date and grouping the date range by, say, calendar quarter will now show you how each person's win rates have been trending over time. Finally, with all formulas, this information is available within charts, meaning that you can incorporate all these insights into your key Salesforce dashboards. I hope that you found this video helpful. Be sure to check out the CloudKettle blog for more information. See you next time.